Create your own custom floor mat for your home or to promote your business indoors. Have your logos, photos, or text printed onto the polyester layer of the floor mat. Just place your floor mat down at any indoor entryway of your choosing. Our floor mat features a rubber edge that wraps around the print to prevent fraying. This rubber is also located on the underside of the mat to prevent the mat from sliding on floors. As your mat gets dirty from use, you can choose to clean it. Do not use a dryer or a steamer on your floor mat. We recommend using soap and water and a magic eraser for light stains. Gently move your hand using a pulling motion to lift dirt and debris off the mat. Make sure the mat is completely dry before use. You may also use a vacuum cleaner to pick up dirt. Avoid using hard cleaning chemicals on the print and test in an inconspicuous spot to make sure that the chemical does not stain your print. For long-term storage, we recommend keeping the floor mat unrolled and laying on a flat surface. Our custom printed mats will bring your customers closer to your brand.